Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how we subtract integers. It means positive and negative numbers. With a simple rule I will be able to solve all of this in seconds. Let's get started. In case we have subtraction, I don't have to pay attention to the idea do they have the same signs or no. All you have to do is simply apply the rule of K, C, C. Keep, change, change. Keep the first number as it is, change the minus into plus, and change the sign of the other number. Here the 2 is positive, it will become negative. And there we go. We are back into addition and we will apply the rules of addition. In addition, here I have the signs here the same, so I will add them. I will get 12, and the sign of the greater number will be assigned till the end, and the final answer is negative 12. Let's take another example. In this case, as soon as I see subtraction, I will directly apply keep, change, change. Keep the first number as it is, change the minus into plus, and change the sign of the second number. Negative 3 is negative to become positive, or I can simply put 3. And let's get started. 7 plus 3, both of them they have the same sign, or actually that's like the normal addition that we used to do. It will become positive 10, and that's how we do it. Now let's solve some examples together. Very good. In the first one, apply the keep, change, change. It will become 10 plus positive 3, which is equal to 13. There we go. Also here, keep, change, change. It will become negative 12 plus positive 7. Here we have different signs, so I will subtract. The answer will be 5, and the greater number here in this case is 12, so I will take its sign to the answer, and the final answer is negative 5. And finally, here, after applying keep, change, change, I will get 7 plus positive 4, which is simply equals to 11. Let's take the final example. In case here you face many integers or operations to be solved at the same time, you don't have to panic. All you have to do is to do them one by one. So let's get started with these two. We have here addition. Negative 7 plus 12, we don't have the same sign, so I will subtract them. 12 minus 7, that's 5, and since 12 is the greatest number, so the answer will become positive 5. Very good. So the result of adding these two numbers is positive 5, and the rest I will write it as it is here, minus negative 4. And here we have subtraction, so let's apply keep, change, change. It will become positive 5 plus positive 4, and in this case will be equal to positive 9. And that's how we do it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them down in the comments below.